Hello and welcome to WPLMS Tips. In this tip, we're going to learn about our latest feature called linkage. So currently the linkage is only available for the WP admin panel. It will be available for the front end in later versions. So first I'm going to describe what is linkage. So we have built this feature specifically for medium to large scale LMSs. So let's say you have a course, and in that course, when you go to the course settings in the course curriculum section and you start adding units, you see a very long list of units. If your LMS is big enough that it has many authors, then this list could be quite long. Although you can restrict this list by using the instructor privacy feature, but in the long run this list will still grow very large and finding your units may not be a very feasible option. So what we have done now is that we have given you a feature called linkage. To enable linkage, we need to go to WPLMS options panel, course manager, and right at the bottom you will see enable linkage. I need to select yes and save. So once you have saved this, if you go to a regular course, you'll see a linkage taxonomy which behaves just like WordPress tags. Now this taxonomy is consistent throughout the LMS. If you go and browse the units, you will see that the taxonomy is there. Similarly, the taxonomy is present in quizzes, questions. So next is we are going to see how this works. So to use linkage, we'll edit an existing course. Then we'll add a linkage parameter which is related to the course. Right. So after adding this, I'm going to update the course. Once the course has been updated, all the queries which were now running you'll see that everything has been turned to blank. That is because we need to connect this linkage parameter with the connected units and courses. So we're going to go to LMS units, and in this unit we're going to add the same linkage parameter that we added for our course. And we are going to update the unit. So now that we have updated the connected unit, we are going to edit our course. And now if we add a new unit, we can see that we have the new unit which is connected by the linkage parameter showing up, and we can now update the curriculum. So this functionality runs in a similar fashion for the quizzes. We can edit the quiz, and here we're going to add a linkage parameter. So once we have added the linkage parameter, we are going to go to all questions and add the same linkage parameter. In the questions and update them. update the questions accordingly. So once we have updated the questions, if we go back to our quiz, I can see that the dynamics linkage is connected. If we edit our quiz, and now if we try to add questions in our quiz, the questions connected by the same linkage parameter will appear. And this is how we can connect the quiz. Similarly, for events, the linkage parameter works in the same manner. So if you edit a course event and you want to connect this event to a particular course, so if you have not entered any linkage field, it will by default work in the default manner, that is, it will show all the courses and all the assignments. But once you have added a linkage field and updated the event, it will shortlist the list from the linkage parameter. Similarly, assignments. So this way we can restrict all the big list of units, quizzes and courses, and we can shortlist only the selected values based on the linkage parameter. That's it from WPLMS updates. Thanks for watching.